Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I live on an island in Alaska. I have 7 grandkids, and I love the outdoors, which is one reason why I'm doing my video outside. I love walks in my rainforest, and I just enjoy all the beauty that surrounds me. You can imagine a photographer's dream to live in Alaska, too. So I wanted to talk to you about successful solution method. This business model launched on the end of May, and let me check on my watch here. Today is June 5. Not even a week has gone by, and I've already got paid twice. Total of $350. I mean, how amazing is that? And the best part is I didn't have to talk to anybody. I can enjoy my island, I can do my thing, my traveling, and I never have to talk to a soul. This is the absolute best business model I have ever seen in all my years of working from home since my kids were little. And I'm so impressed and so thankful and excited for anyone that joins this business, because the traffic and sales are already dialed in, and that's what I love. You don't have to talk to anybody. So I am just so very thankful today. It is only June 5, what a week maybe almost, and I've already been paid twice, and I've never seen that happen before. So I just wanted to shoot this little video and let you know the amazing work from home opportunity you have. So thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.